So today we have a tree planting activity, and we join with Team Eiffel-Nior. So Nang Kate, hi Nang Kate.
Hi sir.
Let's wave your hand. Jeline and Cherry Ann and Janiel. So these are the people who are interested sa tree planting. So 30 minutes from now, ma-start na kami sa amon nga activity. So bye bye Anay.